finally set up my Insta360 in the front of my helmet, so I'm trying to see if the audio is good so that I can record myself while I ride. This does make my helmet a little heavier. I wonder if it's going to be able to also pick up your audio too. I think it would be able to. Oh, I'm going to go up ahead. Sorry. Now I'm going to cut in. Okay, you can catch up with me at the light here if you want. Nice. Okay. I do. Do you want to give a shout out to that bag that you got on your sissy bar? Okay, never mind. Oh, really? Oh. I hope I got that on... Oh, so this is, I think, the first video since you exchanged your exhaust. We changed it out. Yeah. Well, we've... Not recording it. Yeah. Sounds so good. I'm jealous. Uh-huh. Yeah, because it's kind of windy today. Thank you. See, like that. Like, you can warn me and tell me about stuff that's coming up. Did your headpiece die? What happened? We disconnected? Oh, weird. I just charged mine. So... See, sometimes that happens with my Bluetooth in my car. It just disconnects for some reason. I feel like I'm so used to us talking as we ride now that when we, like, if... I know, yeah. I was like, no! It's gonna be a horrible... Like, I was just sad. It just made me sad. Wow. The gusts... Whoa, whoa. The gusts of wind are the ones that really, like, throw me off balance a little bit. I'm excited for when we finally arrive and we're on the one-way. Man, I've like dreamed of doing that, like riding on that road on a bike. Like, this is so exciting. Oh gosh, this makes me nervous. All these cars coming in. Okay, I'm good. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's awesome. No, the next one. Whoa, the wind and also the grooves in the road. My wheel just got in. Like this right here, this like line. Oh, it freaks me out. Oh, a bug just hit my helmet. It was really loud.
Wow, I just dragged my heel.
Is that the first time you've done that? I was expecting it to be a lot more sunny over here. Ooh, I did the motorcycle handshake. I mean, what's it called? The wave handshake. I don't know what I'm talking about. This bridge is cool. Wow. Okay, I'll follow you. I feel nervous. Okay. That was cool. That was very cool. Wow. And the ocean in the distance, that's just so cool. This is like out of a movie scene because there's like little butterflies. That's crazy. I hope you guys can see. Okay. Perks of being on a motorcycle. Wow, the waves. Oh my gosh. Oh, they look so beautiful. Oh yeah. I like this paved road. Oh, how smooth. Wow. Oh, wow, look at that. That would be fun, actually. We're almost there. Oh. I think I might have stalled it, actually. Or what about... Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Like this, and then we go forward, and then I go back. Oh my god, the sand is what... the struggles. No, I'm good. That was like harder than it needed to be.